We had to wait for ages, but our patience has been rewarded. The new Ford Mondeo is a success in terms of power, but a success in every way, something the Volkswagen Passat and Peugeot 407 have found difficult to match. First, there is the design, and it's nothing like the former version. The new Mondeo encompasses Ford's new kinetic styling concept, and we must admit, it is pretty nice. Whether it be the 5-door or the SW version, it boasts an imposing sport look and a touch of British elegance. That's its first strong point. The second, and no less important, it is less expensive and better equipped than the preceding Mondeo. It is also less costly in its sector than its rivals. For example, for the same power output and equal equipment, a Peugeot 407 with a 3-litre V6 is nearly 9,000 euros more. For that kind of money, you could buy a second vehicle. The car for our test is the 220 brake horsepower 5-cylinder turbo, which replaces the ST220 and is faster and safer. It uses less petrol, pollutes less, another good reason to consider the new Mondeo. The interior is also a whole lot better than its predecessor when it comes to equipment and finish. Better quality materials and much better put together, but maybe not quite as nice as a German-built machine. The ergonomics were given a serious rethink and it all comes together very well. There are numerous possibilities if one wants to add one's personal touch, and it has all the latest technologies on offer, all of which add up to yet another selling point. But we were really taken aback on the road. The chassis offers a smooth blend of comfort and efficiency, just as good as a Peugeot, and that's saying something. The steering is spot on and the gear shift isn't bad either. All the latest electronic aids come standard, and finally the soundproofing is greatly improved. Ford has come up with a very fine road car, and the new Mondeo is one of the leaders in a very competitive sector.